What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pressure washers in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for a product that checks all the key boxes in terms of quality at the lowest possible price, we say look no further than the Sun Joe SPX3000, also known as the best budget pressure washer that can be found on the market in 2021. When you buy an electric pressure washer, most folks say you need to see the cleaning power of the machine. Well, the Sun Joe SPX3000 delivers a set of 5 quick spray tips at different angles, such as 15, 25, and 40 degrees. You can even use soap to address easy, medium, and difficult cleaning issues whenever you need it. And all of this is on the budget. There is no doubt that this electric pressure washer can effectively clean everything from thin layers of dust to hard layers of dust in the shortest possible time. The onboard 1800 watt motor can generate a water pressure of 2030 psi with a water flow of 1.76 GPM and provide its users with a faster, more efficient cleaning experience. When it comes to convenience, you need to look at the capacity of the tank. This fella comes with 2 double 0.9 liter detergent tanks on board. They carry a wide range of detergents to help you deal with household and outdoor cleaning tasks at the same time. The water storage capacity of a pressure washer is one of the most important things to keep in mind when shopping, and this product delivers. This pressure washer is perfect for those who need a medium capacity electric washer with 2 detergent dispensers. In terms of power consumption, it utilizes 14.5 amp over 60 hours. This is one of the most reliable and powerful pressure washers with 2030 psi and a water flow of 1.76 gallons per minute. Sun Joe SPX3000 comes in green and has the size of 15.6 by 13.5 by 33.9 inches, as well as a weight of 31 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product on our review list for today is the Greenworks GPW2200, also known as the best electric pressure washer that can be found on the market in 2021. With this fella, you don't have to worry about fuel, noise, or engine maintenance. You just need to plug it into an appropriate socket and you're ready. There is no sound and no heavy maintenance machinery. The GPW2200 is able to create up to 2200 psi of pressure with a water flow of 2.3 GPM. In plain terms, you can go through all the dirt and grime from your home at once with ease. This is a top-of-the-line high-pressure washer with an exceptional, solid, sturdy steel frame and large 8-inch tires. The device includes all nozzles for quick connection of 15, 25, and 40 degrees with additional soap and nozzle. Generally, if you want an exceptionally powerful electric pressure washer to wash your car, yard, fence, windows, driveway, and really make them shine, this is the machine you want for sure. The Greenworks GPW2200 electric pressure washer comes in the size of 36.42 by 20.67 by 20.3 inches, as well as a weight of 2.84 pounds. For ease of portability, this machine comes in a metallic, robust design with 8-inch wheels, offering all the flexibility you need, which many users point out as an important benefit. Also, many point out the fantastic water pressure, the nozzle tips that are quite efficient, as well as the accessories for a quicker and easier connection. In terms of flaws and shortcomings, users are mostly very happy with this product, although some point to a cheaper and fairly short hose, so you may have to pull more or end up getting a longer one if you prefer larger rooms. We have rounded off all the important features, advantages, and potential disadvantages of this product, so let's move on to the next one. Overall, this is a top-notch product that you won't regret purchasing. If you were looking for a pressure washer to use in your home, the following product on our today's rundown is the perfect choice for you. We present to you the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer, which quite rightly took the title of the best home pressure washer you can find on the market in 2021. Karcher's K5 model is an electric machine with one of the highest power capacities the company has to offer. In short, this fella provides high-pressure cleaning for heavy jobs. We like how the rotation of the hose under pressure conveniently protects and preserves the hose. The patented asynchronous motor is cooled with water for an extended service life, which users point out as an additional advantage. Also included are a variety of nozzles and swivel nozzles for handling dirt that meet most outdoor cleaning needs in case you need to use the device outside. There is also a much-needed detergent tank, The Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer also boasts a Vario power spray rod that allows you to easily adjust the right spray from the rod for greater control and versatility of the mud spray nozzles. The Encore pump is durable, corrosion-resistant, and maintenance-free. What is important to keep in mind is that the detergent is automatically dosed when adjusting and working with low pressure, so you don't have to worry. Also, it should be noted that the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer comes bundled with a set of components that includes a 20-foot detergent tank, a 35-foot high-pressure hose connection, and of course, there is a user guide for easier use. This product comes in the size of 34.33 by 13.07 by 16.77 inches, while its weight is 32 pounds. The ease of assembly is another advantage, as well as the surprisingly quiet operation given the strength of this model. Customers are generally satisfied with this product and point out that there are no objective flaws that need to be singled out. We have rounded off all the important features of this product, so now we can freely move on to the review of the next one. Up next, we'd like to talk about the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer, also known as the best gas pressure washer that can be found on the market in 2021. This top-level gas pressure washer comes with a variety of amazing features. It utilizes a powerful Honda engine to achieve top performance, while at the same time, the maintenance-free axial shaft pump ensures constant operation that keeps the fuel running without the risk of clogging. The device comes with a welded steel frame for tough working conditions, while the pneumatic wheels make it easy to carry on different terrains. You can also use multiple nozzles that offer a wide range of degrees to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. These include 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree nozzles, as well as a soap nozzle that further improves cleaning. The M22 threaded connection is compatible with most outdoor taps, and for stubborn stains, be sure to use one of the included advanced, powerful peels. The package includes a reliable Honda GC190 engine, 10-inch pneumatic wheels that ensure ease of use, while Quick Connect tips offer several different options. Additional notable features include a welded steel construction for increased durability, as well as a 5-inch to 25-foot Moreflex hose with high wear and tear resistance. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer comes in black. It has the size of 26 by 18 by 35 inches, while its weight is 65 pounds. Also, the product boasts an OEM Technologies pump that will give you the freedom and luxury that you never have to change the oil and thus avoid all the hassle of maintenance. With the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer, you can easily clean where you need it most, be it walls, stairs, garage doors, fences, or anything else. This wraps things up, and now we can steadily move on to the top of the list for today. After all the reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to a unanimous conclusion to award the gold medal to Sun Joe SPX3001, the best overall pressure washer available on the market in 2021. The Sun Joe SPX3001 pressure washer comes with an exceptionally large 120-liter detergent tank, perfect for disposing of dirt and debris in large amounts. With their 34-inch extension sprayer and rear wheels, they provide maximum handling and easy access to tight spaces such as under decks, behind bars, gutters, and patio furniture, as well as from the underside of motor vehicles and equipment. Also, the Sun Joe SPX3001 pressure washer includes a built-in hose reel for quick and easy cleaning and storage. This product also boasts a full stop system, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not turned on to save energy and extend the life of the pump. This is another cool feature that many users like when it comes to this device. Also, the Sun Joe SPX3001 includes a 6-meter hose reel for quick and 100 easier cleaning and storage. Additionally, the package includes a 1.2-liter detergent tank, 34-inch extension rod, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot GFCI protected power cord, garden hose adapter, tool needle for cleaning, and 5 nozzles for quick connection. The Sun Joe SPX3001 comes in green and has the size of 14.4 by 16.5 by 33.5 inches, while its weight is 32 pounds. It should be noted that this machine delivers a maximum internal pressure of as much as 2,030 psi, which gives it the best rating by CSA standards. If operating under a standard load, the pressure is 1,450 psi. Thanks to its performance, Sun Joe SPX3001 will be able to clean even the heaviest dirt and satisfy even the most demanding users, so you can easily clean rust and oil stains, road tar, heavy mold, insect stains on your vehicle, grease deposits, and much more. In short, this device delivers premium performance, high durability, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.